You want a beauty, this Salem is super nice. 2 entry doors, LED lighting. Woo-wee. Look at this. 4 bunks, TV, entertainment. Look at that. That'll turn into a bunk table. These flip up. And look at this. This is like a park trailer, it's so big. That couch turns into a bed. There's storage under there. Full size refrigerator. Look how clean the kitchen is. It's nice. Nice pantries. Look how cold that is. Woo! Look at that. Full size bathroom. Look how big these are. That's unheard of. Look at this. Memory foam mattress. More storage. This is a nice trailer. This is a real nice trailer. 2 AC units also. 2 AC units.